Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will tell you how to reinstall the application that you delete by mistake in your Android phone. Let's start the video now. Go to Play Store on your device. On the Play Store, tap on your Gmail ID. Then tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Then tap on Manage. All your installed application will be displayed here. Now click on Installed and select Not Installed. Here you will see all the applications that you have used and are no longer installed in your Android phone. Now select the application you want to install. Then click on Download button above to download it to your phone. So guys, I hope you have understood how to install deleted application from history in Android phones.